Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Okay, so first thing, I've got my oven on to hot 250C 480F, and then I've got a tray, baking tray, lined with paper, just so it looks pretty in my photograph. And then we're going to get our salmon. So I've got two fillets here, they're quite big ones. So I'm just going to wrap it with a piece of prosciutto, and if you like, you can do more prosciutto, but I'm just going to. And the thing with this is you want the salmon sitting on the tray so that it cooks quicker, because if it's sitting on a bed of the peas, that'll insulate it and it will take longer to cook. Then we get our frozen peas in, so it depends on how much you like peas. But yeah, like about almost the whole pack. And then our other thing is just a lemon that I've halved on the diagonal so it looks pretty. We'll get that in and it's going to cook and make a beautiful sauce. Okay, so that's been 10 minutes. I'm happy that the salmon's cooked. If you're not sure, you can always cut into it and check. And then normally I'd serve this with mint, but I just went out to the garden and my mint is completely died off. I guess it's that snow that we had the other day, not so great. But it's really lovely, just serve the lemon halves, dig the seeds out, and the lemon halves are super juicy. But you could use parsley or whatever, salad leaves, and then just serve it with some pesto as well. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with simple recipes just like this one.